Hi, I'm Chris from All Security Company, and today I'm going to show you how to replace batteries in your Honeywell Wireless Motion Sensor. All you will need is a flathead screwdriver. Just makes it a little bit easier to open the motion sensor and your 3-volt lithium battery. You'll see at the bottom of the motion sensor is just a little clip you push in and the motion just pops right open. Once you do that, follow the positive and negative symbols, put the battery in correctly, push it in all the way, gives it a little snap. That way you'll know your battery is in. Then you just put the cover back on, starting at the top first, like so. And then it just clips into place. Red LED will go away after a couple of minutes, and you have now replaced the battery in your wireless motion sensor.